Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can pay hotel in booking.com, so let's jump right in. First, open the booking.com website on your phone and make sure you're logged into your personal account. Once you're on the home page, search for your destination and add your check-in and check-out dates, then tap on Search. Now scroll through the list and select any hotel that works best for you. Once you find one, tap on Reserve for tonight or whichever date you picked. You'll see different room options. Choose the one you like and tap the Reserve button next to it. Next, select how many rooms you want and tap on Next Step. On the next page, you'll see a summary of your booking. Scroll down until you find the Details section. Here, fill in your information: your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and tap on Final Step. Now, you'll be asked to choose your payment method, either pay online with your card or pay later at the hotel.